La 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 la.
L.
La 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 la.
L.
Eh 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 eh.
I.
Ga 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 ga.
G. A.
Ta 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 ta.
T.
Oh 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 oh.
O.
R r r r r r r r.
R.
Alligator.
A. L. L. I. G. A. T. O. R.
Alligator. Hey kids, today we'll meet a mighty alligator. When you think of an alligator, it is easy for a dinosaur to come to mind. But they are not dinosaurs. Let's say hi to the alligator on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hi, alligator! Hi, kids! Alligators have long, round snouts and are dark green or black. They live in freshwater areas like ponds, marshes, rivers, and lakes. On the count of 3, let's say bye-bye to alligator. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye, alligator. Bye-bye, kids.